Cartilage is a crucial part of your joints. It acts like a cushion, protecting your bones from grinding against each other. But once it is damaged, cartilage is very hard to regenerate because it has almost no blood supply. As we age, our natural collagen production also declines. Collagen is the main building block of cartilage. Without enough collagen, joints become stiff, painful, and more prone to long-term damage. That is why many people think joint damage is permanent. But here is what most people do not realize. Your body still has the potential to produce collagen naturally, if it gets the right support. Certain foods can help trigger this internal process. They provide the nutrients and compounds your body needs to rebuild and protect cartilage, without relying only on supplements. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful foods that can support your body's collagen production and help restore joint health. Whether you are young and want to protect your joints early, or older and looking to reduce stiffness and discomfort, these foods can make a real difference. Let us get started. Food 1. Bone broth. The first food on our list is bone broth. This may look like a simple bowl of soup, but nutritionally, it is one of the most powerful tools for your joints. Bone broth is rich in natural collagen and gelatin, both of which come from slowly simmered animal bones and connective tissue. These nutrients are essential building blocks for cartilage, the cushion-like tissue that covers your joints and helps them move smoothly. As we age, our body produces less collagen. This makes the cartilage thinner, weaker, and more likely to wear down. That is why restoring collagen through food becomes more important over time. The gelatin in bone broth contains amino acids like glycine and proline, which your body uses to rebuild damaged connective tissue. These same amino acids also support gut health and reduce inflammation, which further protects your joints. What makes bone broth special is how easily your body absorbs these nutrients. Because they are broken down during the long cooking process, they are easier to digest and go straight to work repairing tissue. To get the most benefits, use bones with joints and cartilage, such as beef knuckles, chicken feet, or fish heads. Add a little vinegar to the pot to help release more minerals and simmer for at least 6 to 12 hours. You can drink bone broth warm like tea, use it as soup base, or cook vegetables in it. Just 1 cup a day can make a noticeable difference in joint comfort over time. Bone broth is not just a trend, it is a time-tested way to support your joints from the inside out. Food 2. Fatty fish, collagen-friendly and anti-inflammatory. Eating fatty fish is one of the most effective ways to support your joint health. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation inside the body. But that is not all. Fatty fish also contain amino acids like glycine and proline. These amino acids are essential building blocks for collagen, the protein that makes up cartilage, skin, and connective tissues. As we age, collagen production naturally slows down. This can lead to joint stiffness, cartilage thinning, and more pain during daily activities. By eating fatty fish regularly, you provide your body with the raw materials it needs to keep building and repairing collagen. This is not a quick fix, it is a long-term investment in your joints. In addition, the omega-3s in fatty fish reduce joint inflammation and help ease symptoms in people with arthritis or cartilage damage. Many studies have shown that omega-3s can reduce morning stiffness and joint tenderness. For best results, aim to eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. Grilled, baked, or steamed methods are healthiest. Avoid deep frying or heavily processed fish. And if you cannot eat fish often, high-quality fish oil supplements can be a helpful alternative. Always talk to your doctor if you are taking medications or have other health concerns. Food 3. Berries, vitamin C and antioxidants to boost and protect natural collagen. When it comes to collagen support, vitamin C is a superstar. Your body cannot make collagen without it. And where do you get vitamin C naturally? One of the best sources is berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only tasty, they are packed with vitamin C. This essential vitamin is needed for the enzyme that links collagen fibers together. Without enough vitamin C, collagen cannot form properly. But berries go beyond that. They also contain powerful antioxidants, like anthocyanins and ellagic acid. These antioxidants protect your existing collagen from breaking down due to free radicals and inflammation. Think of collagen like a bridge. Vitamin C helps build it, and antioxidants help guard it. Both are necessary to keep your cartilage strong and flexible. Multiple studies show that berries reduce oxidative stress and support joint function. In people with arthritis, Diets rich in berries were linked to less joint stiffness and better movement. An easy way to add berries to your routine is to eat a small bowl of mixed berries with breakfast or as a snack. Fresh or frozen, they retain most of their nutrients. No need for fancy powders or supplements. Just eat nature's colorful collagen protectors, your joints will thank you. Food 4. Red bell pepper, a natural vitamin C powerhouse. Red bell peppers are not only colorful and sweet, they are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C. This vibrant vegetable contains nearly 3 times more vitamin C than an orange, making it a top choice for collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for the body to synthesize collagen, the main protein that gives structure to cartilage, skin, and connective tissues. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot form stable collagen, which weakens your joints over time. Red bell peppers also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and quercetin. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 key factors that damage cartilage and slow its regeneration. Eating red bell peppers regularly can support your body's natural collagen production, especially when combined with other collagen-rich or collagen-boosting foods. You can add them to salads, stir-fries, omelets, or simply eat them raw as snacks. The best part? They are low in calories, high in nutrients, and suitable for all ages, from children to seniors. So next time you are grocery shopping, grab a few red bell peppers. They are small, but mighty. Food 5. Garlic. Garlic may be small, but its impact on your joints is powerful. This humble kitchen staple contains compounds that support both cartilage repair and inflammation control. One of the key nutrients in garlic is sulfur. Sulfur is essential for producing collagen, the protein that gives cartilage its strength and flexibility. Without enough sulfur, your body cannot build or repair collagen efficiently. But there is more. When you crush or chop fresh garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. Allicin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These effects are important because inflammation and oxidative stress can both damage cartilage over time. Some studies even suggest that regular garlic consumption may help slow down cartilage breakdown and support joint health as we age. Garlic does not just add flavor, it may help preserve your mobility. The good news? You do not need a lot. Just 1 to 2 cloves of raw or lightly cooked garlic each day can provide benefits. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or salad dressings for both flavor and support. If raw garlic is too strong for you, consider roasted garlic. It is milder but still offers health properties. The key is to include garlic regularly, not just as a seasoning, but as part of your joint care plan. When it comes to rebuilding cartilage naturally, garlic deserves a spot on your plate. Food 6. Soybeans. Soybeans are not just a good protein source, they also support your joints in surprising ways, especially when it comes to preserving cartilage and promoting healthy joint tissue. Soy contains a special compound called genistein. Genistein is a type of plant-based estrogen known as a phytoestrogen. It has been studied for its ability to reduce cartilage breakdown, especially in aging joints. One of genistein's key benefits is that it helps block the activity of certain enzymes that destroy cartilage. At the same time, it encourages the production of new cartilage components, helping your joints rebuild instead of break down. Soy is also rich in plant-based protein, and protein is the raw material your body uses to build and repair tissue, including joint tissue, ligaments, and cartilage. If you are avoiding animal products or just want variety, soy is a smart choice. Options like tofu, edamame, soy milk, or tempeh are all easy ways to include soy in your meals. Some studies suggest that regular soy consumption may be especially helpful for postmenopausal women, who tend to lose collagen faster due to declining estrogen. Genistein can partially mimic estrogen's effects and help slow that decline. The key is to choose minimally processed soy. Whole forms of soy, like cooked soybeans or tofu, give you the full benefit, not just protein, but also genistein and antioxidants. A few servings per week could make a difference in how your joints feel and move. Sometimes, nature's simplest foods have the smartest effects. Now that you have seen the 6 powerful foods, let us bring everything together. Each of them supports cartilage in a unique way. Bone broth brings in collagen and gelatin directly. These are the actual building blocks. Egg yolks and mushrooms provide natural vitamin D to help your body absorb calcium better. Hard cheeses and Greek yogurt deliver calcium, magnesium, and gut-friendly probiotics. Sesame seeds pack a wide range of minerals, zinc, calcium, magnesium, that bones need daily. Avocados offer healthy fats and potassium that protect against inflammation and support tissue repair. Turmeric brings in curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds found in nature. When combined, these foods do not just add nutrients, they create synergy. Vitamin D helps calcium go into your bones. Magnesium and zinc work with vitamin D to improve bone metabolism. Probiotics from yogurt support better absorption. Anti-inflammatory compounds from turmeric and avocado reduce stress on joints. Collagen from broth gets a better chance to stay and work when inflammation is down. To make the most of them, keep these tips in mind. Use fresh or minimally processed ingredients, avoid deep-fried, salty, or sugary versions. Try to rotate the foods instead of eating just one every day. And if you have medical conditions or are taking medication, check with your doctor before making big changes. Here is a simple way to include them in your day. Morning. Start with an egg, mushroom stir-fry, or Greek yogurt with sesame topping. Lunch. Add grilled chicken or tofu with avocado slices and a small bowl of bone broth. Dinner. Make a curry dish with turmeric, some sautéed veggies, and a side of cheese or yogurt. Snacks. A few sesame crackers, a turmeric latte, or avocado on toast work well. You do not have to eat all of them every day, just build the habit over time. Your joints, bones, and energy will thank you. Your joints are not just aging. They are asking for the right support. What you eat today can shape how you move tomorrow. Foods like bone broth, egg yolks, mushrooms, yogurt, sesame, avocado, and turmeric, these are not exotic solutions. They are everyday choices with science-backed benefits. If this video helped you see food differently, let us know in the comments. Which of these foods do you already enjoy? Which ones will you try next? And if you know someone dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or early signs of cartilage wear, share this video with them. You might give them a better start on their healing journey. Remember to subscribe and follow our channel for more real-life, food-first health tips. And check out our related video on 7 foods that help joints stay flexible and bones stay strong. It is the perfect companion to this one. Thank you for watching. Your next step could be as simple as what is on your plate.